Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be, let me just say ahead of time, this is going to be a very small haul. I just left out of Dollar Tree. I am loving today's weather, you guys. It is finally raining out here. For the past 2 days it's been raining and I just love it. But I went into Dollar Tree really quick and I only picked up a couple things, but of course I'm coming to show them with you, so it's going to be a small haul. So the first things that I grabbed was these beautiful gold wrapping papers. They did have them in silver too. That was, I don't remember seeing those before. So this one, if you can see it, it just has white ornaments on it. And it's like gold foil paper. Really pretty. And then this one, it says Happy Holidays all over it. But the background of it is gold. So I thought those was pretty. And then this one is gold as well, but it has white Christmas trees all over it. And look at that gold. That is just so pretty. So I picked up those three. I was lucky enough to find another one of these. I showed two of these in a previous haul. And when I got one for Pooh Bear and one for his teacher, but when I took it to school to give to the teacher, there was a mother that was like, oh my God, where'd you get that from? And I told her, and then she was like, she said she was going to be looking, but she hasn't found one. So I stumbled across the last one today in the store that I was in. So I picked her up one of those. Then I saw these. I picked up two of these. Then I saw these. Now, in the past, they had some other ones, and I tried those out, and I loved them. They had the ginger soda, there was cream, then there was the orange cream, and then there was root beer. And I tried those, and they are absolutely amazing. They are so good, especially the cream soda and the orange soda. So today I picked up these because I didn't see these the last time, probably because this is a different store, but they have black cherry, and I can't wait to put those in the refrigerator to try them. And then I have never seen this, and it's by, this one is a different brand. The other one is by WBC. This one is by Caruso's, and it's a dark, it just says dark cream Italian style soda. So I had never seen those before, dark cream, and I can't wait to see what that tastes like. I don't even know what, I mean, I guess it's the same as drinking the cream soda, but cream soda is a lot lighter. I don't know if it's just the bottle that's making it look darker, but I'm going to try those and I can't wait. Then they had some new candle holders, and I'm telling you guys, I know my family is like, girl, quit bringing me candle holders. Because I'll be passing stuff out. If I don't keep it, I'll pass it out. But I saw these and I thought these were so cute. And they were little candle holders. And they have like this metal brooch like on the front. And this one is, the gold ones have the reindeer kind of like jumping. And so I did pick up two of those because I thought those were pretty. And then I also picked up one of these, which is the red one with the Christmas tree on the front. And then the green jar had, what was it, a snowflake on the front. And I did take a picture. Whatever I didn't purchase, the pictures will be at the end of this video. And the last couple things that I picked up was, I always get these, but I had to get another pack for the kids because they were running out. And it's just the Grips Plackers, you know, floss. But this one is a new package. It's really cute. And then it says it's fruit smoothie flavor. The other ones are usually like fruit flavor too, but this one just says fruit smoothie swirl. So I'll give those to the kids. They had some more socks. I only picked up one pair because this one, the rest of them was more like for girls. You'll see the picture. But this was the only one I picked up for Pooh Bear, and I thought it was super cute. A little tiger with the little Indian headdress on and everything. And the bottom of it, you know how the grip for them not to slide on the floor, it says be fearless. Yeah, be fearless. I thought it said be fierce for a minute, but be fearless. And so I only picked up this one pair, but they did have a couple. And then last but not least, these I picked up. I don't even know why. You ever just pick up something and you know you don't need them, but you picked them up anyway? And I picked these up because they're funny. And I know the kids will get a kick out of messing around with these. But they are some funny face coasters. This one is the animals, so I think you get 4 different faces in here. It looks like a chimpanzee, a rabbit, a llama or alpaca, and a bear. And so the mouths look like this. So even though they are coasters and you put your drinks up to it, see how that middle part is cut out? You could put it up to your nose and then it'll be like you have a different mouth. So I thought that was funny. Now this one, Pooh Bear is going to get a kick out of this. And it's some faces. This is people's funny face coasters. So I see a baby. I see a man with his mouth open. I see a girl with some braces. Lipsticks that's gold glitter. And then this one is the one that just kills me right here. So put that up to your face and you'll have a different mouth. Weird but cute. Funny. The kids will get a kick out of it, so I picked it up. And that's it. I told you guys it's going to be a quick haul. I do have some pictures that I'll put up. I don't know how many pictures I took, but I did take a few. So I'll put those up right about now. Thank you guys for watching. I am about to enjoy this rainy day, and I'm going to head home right now. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.